Minister Logmani Carmine Rwateki Committee Manero Lokum Lim I Parliament. Amos Kokonda la chui od moko chieng machung pilwak merwam para county owaci.
He reiterates this. He mentioned the fact that he's going to invite us to engage us to see how we revise even our budget. And it is important that it comes out clear and even come up with supplementaries, adjustments of the budget, which might eventually even affect.
Musasizi owaci Uganda tia ter metiyo yatariagi PMK nermod malupeke te pen chik pa Uganda onyo benen te kwaro mamiloboman gen pigira maye la kulilog ni cho bet kicho onyo benen mon okemeke mon luwerigi iyo mivoro.
Financial management revolves. Some of us who are professionals in that area, we know how far we have worked with the evolutions in financial management for some years. And as a result, there is a need for us to keep interacting, changing ideas, providing information to the stakeholders. And because of this, we are proposing that we have an interaction with you outside this.
Iloke Musasizi mete kon wanyni karado romo it Uganda mitweyo del matek neno kid magen ge moko kweri tamgi mitongo wilim I budget moko mano pera petek tutwal.
Took the decision and we are firm, but we knew and the president told us that we are going this route. Should it develop, should it bring consequences, then we should be able to bear.
Kari bena kumeno Musasizi potir matur kid makibiton kwede lim kidon kwena makibiton lim ye malope ke birlim makikaro kwede kon kikaro welim we trillion piera bichwiario tonna ber kolo. Eno waci tongoli man kibikati kia dukine ati ke neno parliament nyolo chui od moko chiro dugu iwe ma chik magen go chere iye maklone recess lo chui od moko chik beno kate ke Dwon gimatere logman kun gi waci Gamente miro neni ngolo koti malope ke bon magen gitie kwere ichingi.
World Bank loans are usually low interest loans and payable on a longer term basis. So once they decide not to lend to us, it means some of our operations, especially development expenditure, will be affected.
So it will still give us room because salary is about wellness, about welfare, about people's lives. We can look at, as I mentioned, on non-wage, and we can look at some development budget lines, which are not critical, might not be immediate, or we might delay some of those development budget lines.
When we're passing this law, we expected to see various sectors affected by funding from most of the foreign donors. So when you look at the external financing that we get and budget support we are getting, that is figures we're talking about close to 10 to 11 trillion shillings that is coming in from the external financiers, the IMF, the World Bank. So we expect all this money to reduce and we expect to have a smaller resource envelope than we have right now.
Lucung I od moko chiek mokena wachi mano bedo gumma dit tutwal I lobo Uganda mineno kid magen giton kwede welim ikum jemi mogo mapigi pitego.
This World Bank thing, for once, is going to instill discipline in the way we manage our economy. It's going to be a very hard and rough road, but we needed this to go through, so that for once we live in reality.
Pelonge mochonyi Wanluo TV, Pat Robert Larubi.